Welcome to JayzTwoCents exclusive insider coverage of CES 2014. Our trip this year is brought to you by Aqua Tuning, your global source for PC modding and cooling components, and by Sennheiser, the pursuit of perfect sound, and of course, by generous viewers like you. So strap in with JayzTwoCents as he takes you on a wild ride through CES 2014.
Hey guys, you're watching JayzTwoCents, and guess what? I happen to find somebody here who's taller than me. Look at this.
A little bit. Yeah, we're good.
Guys, I'm with Josh here from Fractal Design, and he's going to be showing us a case here that is directly derivative of what the customers have asked for. So Josh, obviously this is an R4, a defined R4, but what makes it different?
This is actually the R4 Blackout. So what makes this different is this is the first case that we've done where it has all black internals. And it might not seem like much of a change, but it's one of those things that we've gotten from a lot of our fans, a lot of our customers. They've wanted to see an all black interior, so we wanted to give that to them. It's going to be out sometime probably around April.
Okay, so functionality-wise, it's all the same. It comes with the same fan blockouts that Fractal's known for, where if you have unused fan slots, you don't have dust entry points. You can control the airflow. You can control the pressure. Of course, you have the same adjustable hard drive bays, which you can turn them sideways or put water cooling in the front, the top. It's everything you come to expect with Fractal Design, but it's just all black. So if you guys are looking for like a stealth build, you definitely want to check out the Defined Fractal R4, or the Fractal Defined R4 Blackout. That's what it is. It's just all black. So, Josh, thank you for showing this to me today. Hope to show some more Fractal stuff here in the future on the channel. I know we've been kind of creating a bromance here. Yeah, we're talking a little bit on the side. So, yeah, guys, this is what you see right here is what you get with Fractal. And we are going to have a glorious relationship here on JayzTwoCents. And don't go away, because now we're going to show you guys what some of these other manufacturers have been doing with their cases for their custom builds. I'm still standing here with Fractal Josh. Cut. Hanging out here with Fractal Josh. You guys know this guy. What are we looking at here? You've got some, looks like some boutique builds from some of your system integrators.
Yeah, exactly. So what we're doing is we wanted to showcase some of our system builder partners. Those are the companies that have chosen to use our products as part of their builds. The first one you're looking at here is from Puget Systems, and it's a workstation, effectively, as you can tell by the dual processor. Now, what's interesting about this setup is exactly how quiet this thing is, which is kind of hard to tell with all the ambient noise around. But they've picked this, the Define XL R2, due to its silent nature and the fact it's highly configurable. So, you know, to be able to have a system that's this quiet, I mean, you can tell people what you think about how quiet it is.
Well, I can tell you right now, I almost stuck my fingers in the fan if they didn't have this grill on here, because I didn't realize it was running. And you guys know I'm a noise snob. My PC's as quiet as I can get it. And I'm gonna kind of take the mic and just move it around. You guys, you might hear some interference because it's wireless. We'll hope not. But this is absolutely inaudible. I mean, I don't know what you guys can hear. Now, obviously, right now, it's sitting kind of in idle mode, so everything's sort of ramped down. But one of the things that Fractal Design obviously is known for is the sound insulation that you guys integrate into your cases. So even if you put this thing into workload mode, or you start doing rendering, or whatever you're doing with this dual Xeon build, once you put that insulated side panel on there, you're not going to have any of the sound issues escaping out of there. So what are we looking at here with this green monster?
Sure. So over here we have a system from Exotic PC. It's basically an Arc XL that they've customized into their own system. And what's really doing is highlighting the liquid cooling flexibility of the case. It has a 360 millimeter radiator in the top, as well as a 240 millimeter radiator in the front. And it's running an SLI build that's also both cards liquid cooled. So it really kind of showcases the flexibility.
I just recently did the Arc XL review that you sent me. And I have to admit, it is clearly one of the most water cooling friendly cases that I've seen when it comes to including dual rads, 360s and 240s. And the amount of thickness it accommodates in the front, you know, if you some people want to do massive rads like me, I have a quad and a triple. Yeah. But they give you plenty of room to incorporate thicker radiators to maintain surface area and not, you know, encroach into the actual living space in the case. I mean, look down here in the bottom. We've got a dual in the front. We've got the pump, the DDC in the bottom. We've got a massive reservoir right here sitting horizontal. Full length power supply here, SLI. And, you know, it doesn't look cluttered. 2 graphics cards, all the water cooling contained inside the case. And yeah, so this is the system that you can get from Exotic PC, one of the many companies that have incorporated Fractal Design in their OEM specs and with their cases. So guys, Josh, thank you for talking with me today. You guys are going to see a lot more of this guy on my channel, I'm sure. And if you're not following us on Twitter, you should be, because that's the place to be. Guys, I'm going to get on out of here. Make sure you are following us for all of our exclusive coverage of CES 2014. And as always, I will see you in my next video if I still have a voice.